Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 37 Dennis Drive in the sought-after Pickering Village. This John Body home features 4 bedrooms, sunken living room, eating kitchen, but to tell us more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I'm good to go.
Let's take it away.
Welcome to 37 Dennis Drive, a wonderful 4-bedroom family home situated within the sought-after Pickering Village neighborhood of Ajax. With no sidewalk on this side of the street, this home has plenty of driveway parking, and its covered front porch is a lovely spot to sit and relax with a sense of privacy afforded by a mature evergreen tree and cedar shrubs. A 4-level brick back split, this home opens with a ceramic tiled foyer featuring a mirrored door coat closet and direct access from the garage, with beautiful oak hardwood flooring in the main hall as well as in the elegantly combined formal living and dining rooms. Their oversized entry is graced with decor columns, and this open-concept entertaining space features 2 accent windows in the dining area as well as a bay window along the living room's turret-shaped wall that brings soft, natural lighting into these beautiful rooms. Across the hall is the kitchen and its breakfast area, which has an oversized window for natural lighting and is open to the family room below. Finished with quality laminate flooring, this busy work and family space has striking light and dark color contrasts and showcases a center island, quartz counters with a stainless steel double undermount sink, abundant cabinetry storage with a standalone pantry, a ceramic backsplash, as well as appliances. A short flight of stairs leads to the sunken family room, and with its southern exposure, this wonderful casual entertaining space gets flooded with bright natural light. Finished with the warmth and comfort of broadloom throughout, adding to its coziness is a gas fireplace accented with brick, ceramics, and wood. Through a sliding door walkout is the south-facing backyard, a lovely outdoor space for relaxation and entertaining, while the surrounding trees bring cool, refreshing shade and a wonderful sense of privacy during the warm weather months. Off the family room can be found a laundry room with washer, dryer, laminate flooring, and its own access to the backyard, a spacious powder room with ceramic flooring, a second coat closet, as well as access to the unfinished basement level, which has a cold room and upgraded oversized windows. The staircases to both the second and third levels are carpeted and finished with oak railings, and soft, cozy carpeting is also found in the landings as well as throughout all 4 bedrooms. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms on the 2nd level have south-facing exposures with large windows for bright natural lighting. Each have double-sized closets, and both share a 4-piece washroom featuring a wall-to-wall vanity with quartz counter and undermount basin, as well as a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. A linen closet is found outside the washroom door, and for additional brightness, above this level's landing is a skylight. On the 3rd level is the 2nd bedroom, which is also well suited as a private office, a media room, or a nursery with its adjacency to the master suite. A light-filled personal retreat along the master bedroom's turret-shaped wall is space for a sitting area with a bay window for lovely front yard views, as well as another large window along its north wall, all with light diffusing privacy blinds. In addition to a double door entry and his and her walk-in closets, this bedroom has a 4-piece ensuite washroom that features ceramic finishes, a corner soaker tub, a vanity with his and her basins as well as a makeup vanity, and a separate shower area with glass door. Walking distance to Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools, this home is also close to Duffins Creek Conservation Area, places of worship, public transit, Pickering Village shops and services, and the Riverside Golf Course, as well as being just a short drive to the Durham Center Shopping Plaza and Pickering Town Center, the Ajax GO Station, and for access to Highway 401.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you've seen, it's a beautiful home, great location. We're We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at @AngelaPucci_real estate. Thank you.